It can be difficult to keep the carpet looking clean when you own pets at home. It has been confirmed that bringing a pet into your home can benefit your health and well-being. However, it can be challenging to care for our carpets the way we desire, because pets can cause severe damage to carpets, especially if they sit or lie on them for an extended period. If care is not taken, they can ruin the entire appearance of the carpet from scratching to wet paws. No matter how you train your pet, accidents still happen. However, to avoid those accidents, we will comprehensively discuss how you can maintain the artistic value of your carpet and still keep lots of pets at the same time. Below is a list of simple tips that can help you maintain a fresher looking carpet when you have dogs around. Number 1. The cleaner the pet, the cleaner the carpet. It will help if you can keep your dog groomed. It will reduce the mess they make on the carpet. For instance, when you keep your dog's hair maintained and clean, the amount of pet hair that will find its way to the carpet will be limited. Dogs are amazing animals, but they can be the worst enemy for your carpet. Stains from them are usually one of the hardest to remove, and they come with an unpleasant odor. Mainly, a dog's urine is highly acidic, and this means that when it gets on the carpet, it eats the carpet away. Lots of benefits will be achieved if you can groom your dog properly. One of such is keeping their coat healthy and controlling the rate it sheds. Number 2. Vacuum regularly. If you have a pet, you need to add vacuuming to your daily routine. You don't see dirt or a pet's hair on the floor, but it doesn't mean it isn't there. It will be good to note that pet dander, dirt, and hair stick to the fibers of your carpets, and they are harmful. Try as much as possible to vacuum often to prevent health issues. Number 3. Steam clean your carpet. Steam cleaning your carpet can help remove debris that has sunk deep into the carpet. Once the steam penetrates the surface, it eliminates bacteria and mold and kills potent pathogens from the carpet. This is a more profound way to clean the carpet, because it uses temperature to remove dirt built up over a long period. You don't have to steam clean weekly, you can make it a once-in-a-while activity. That way, you can remove trapped pollutants and extend carpet life. Number 4. Keep pets' nails trimmed. The length of your pet's nail can cause more damage than you expect. Pets can easily snag the strands of materials used on the carpet. This can eventually leave spots on the carpet. This is why it is advised to inspect, trim and file your pet's nails. Most importantly, it is better to introduce the process of trimming your pet's nails as early as possible. The trimming exercise should be performed when the pet is calm and relaxed. Number 5. Invest in a comfortable pet bed. One of the easiest ways to keep your carpet clean and free from germs is by limiting the access area of your pets. Invest in a good and comfortable bed for your pets. Like people, pets also need a place to enjoy a good night's sleep, which helps them stay healthy. A comfortable bed space will encourage them to keep off the carpet area. There are several remedies that you can use to avoid dealing with pet stains on the carpet. Replacing the carpet is not always convenient. As soon as you see a pet stain on the floor, use baking soda to remove it from the carpet immediately. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.